so Dewey, Ash or Ashleen Stoke. My pronouns are she, they, and I'm running for Aberystwyth Student Union President.
For you, what is the most important part of an officer's role?
I believe the most important part of an officer role is to transfer what the students want into the SU and just to make it possible, and to be that voice that the students need.
If elected, how would you ensure students are part of your decision making?
So I would ensure they're part of the decision making by listening to what students want through Senate and official zones. I would also communicate with them through social media and drop-in sessions as much as physically possible, communicating with the Welsh officer and all the volunteer officers as well to hear what students want.
How would you remain accountable to students as an officer?
So I know that as president I don't have an official zone, but I would be open and honest about everything that happens in my role during the Senate meetings, and also I'd be happy for students to come and talk to me with any worries or concerns as long as I'm not in a meeting.
How did you engage in the SU as a student?
So I've been in part of society since I joined Aberystwyth University. For the last couple of years I've been on the committee of Tickle Pink, 1 year as president. And this year I'm currently the SU's Volunteer Environment and Sustainability Officer, so I've really enjoyed working with the SU and I would really like to continue it.
So, how would you support the officers' team's success next year?
So I would listen to all views from the officer team and push them to act on what they believe is best for the students as well as what I believe is best for the students. I would also make sure that they are coping with the workload and they are not too stressed. I will ensure I am passionate about the work they do and I do to encourage success.
How would you balance maintaining a working relationship with the university whilst upholding the needs of the students?
So I would communicate and be clear with both parties, not withholding any information so that both the university and the students know exactly what myself and other officers are doing. I will listen to what students want and how they want to see change and relay this to the university, and then the same again, relaying what the university want to the students. I would stand my ground with anything the students are passionate about, making sure the students' voices are heard while also speaking to the university, not pushing over any obstacle.
Right, bonus questions. What is your favourite place to hang out in Aber?
Probably on North Beach, just under Constitutional Hill, having a bonfire there and with some friends, like the best.
What subject do or did you study?
So I did creative writing and literature in my undergrad. I'm currently doing my master's now in creative writing.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Anything from Wicked or The Lion King doesn't mean it's going to be good. Yeah.
What's your favourite Welsh word?
Apologies if I pronounce this wrong. Cwtch, because it's like, it's so cute, you know?
Who inspires you?
My parents, because my mum has always inspired me to proceed in my education and has supported me through everything, and my dad has always believed in me no matter what. So please vote Ashleen #1 for president to ensure a positive difference for students' futures and to enhance inclusivity in the present. So vote for your fake redhead for a real officer. Diolch.
Fi yw David Jones fe, a fi'n rhedeg am swyddog diwylliant Cymreig ar Llywodymca.
I ti, beth yw'r peth pwysica ar ôl swyddog?
Sicrhau perthynas da rhwng myfyrwyr a'r undeb.
Os fysa ti'n cael dy ethol, sut ti'n mynd i sicrhau bod y myfyrwyr yn rhan o dy benderfyniadau?
Cynnal cyfarfodydd misol rhwng fi a myfyrwyr Cymreig i glywed ei barn a trefnu unrhyw digwyddiadau sy'n dod ymlaen.
Sut ti'n mynd i aros yn atebol i myfyrwyr fel swyddog?
Pob tro neu'n siŵr bod hi'n barod i glywed ei barn a cadw trwy'n gael gyda unrhyw beth fi'n addo iddyn nhw.
Sut berthynas gyda'r undeb oedd gyda ti fel myfyriwr?
O'n i'n aelod gweithgar iawn o IMCA a wedi bod yn sawl digwyddiad yn yr undeb, megis sŵn a bingo lingo.
Be ydy'r sialens fwyaf sy'n gwynebu myfyrwyr Cymraeg yn Aber?
Fi'n credu bod myfyrwyr Cymraeg yn gweld hi'n anodd i gymysgu gyda'r undeb ehangach, felly fi eisiau gwneud yn haws a neud siŵr bod mwy o bobl yn cymysgu gyda myfyrwyr eraill.
Sut wyt ti'n mynd i gefnogi myfyrwyr ail iaith a dysgwyr i deimlo'n rhan o'r gymuned Gymraeg?
Fi eisiau hysbysebu digwyddiadau Cymraeg yr undeb yn mwy lled ar hyd yr undeb a neud siŵr bod pawb yn teimlo'n hygyrch os ydyn nhw eisiau dysgu neu dod i gymryd rhan.
Beth ydy'r atgof gorau i fod myfyriwr yn Aber?
Eisteddfod rhynggolegol 2020 yn Aberystwyth.
Pa bwnc wyt ti'n astudio?
Amaethyddiaeth gyda gwyddol anifeiliaid.
Beth ydy dy go-to can karaoke di?
What Makes You Beautiful gan One Direction.
Be di pobl ddim yn wybod amdana ti?
Dim enw go iawn fi yw Dafi.
Pam dylai pobl bleidleisio i chdi?
Wel, allan o'r holl ymgeiswyr eraill, fi'n credu mai fi yw'r person i ddibynnu ar byddai'n neud siŵr bod llais pawb yn cael ei glywed, bod myfyrwyr Cymraeg yn cael pob hawl o fewn yr undeb, a wrth gwrs neud siŵr bod pawb yn cael amser da iawn ar hyd y flwyddyn. Diolch.
Hi everyone, I am Rachel Barwise, my pronouns are she, her, and I'm running for Ops Officer. And this is my quiz the candidates, let's go.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Colourful, energetic and Welsh.
For you, what is the most important part of an officer's role?
Being an active voice for students and leaving the uni and union in a better place than when we found it.
How did you engage with the SU as a student?
I was an academic rep for 3 years and I was on exec committee for 2. I was welfare officer and then vice president, and I was also society rep at Cynhelir in my 3rd year.
What subject did you study?
Drama and theatre.
Favourite moment as a student at ApAber?
Oh, dressing up as Nessa for a Welsh social.
How will you balance the needs of clubs and societies in your role?
Making sure that everyone has equal priority no matter how big or small your group is, making sure my door is always open.
If elected, how would you ensure students are a part of your decision making?
Keeping regular updates about what I'm doing and also asking for student opinion.
Favourite Welsh word?
Fy hoff gair ydy cyfeillgar. I don't know why, it means friendly, but it's fun to say. Cyfeillgar.
How would you support the development of key events such as ABBA Challenge and Varsity?
Work closely with the ops team again, but also look at your feedback from last year to make sure it's bigger and better than ever.
How would you remain accountable to students as an officer?
Having my door open not only at zones but also throughout the year and being an open book for your feedback.
What achievement are you most proud of?
Getting elected last year.
And finally, why should students vote for you?
Because I'm determined to make this year, Aber University's 150th year, a party for everyone, celebrating all we do. And yeah, thank you Seagulls for ending it on a high. Do it for the Seagulls.
Hi, my name is Kieran Burrows and I'm running for Student Opportunities Officer at Aberystwyth SU.
For you, what is the most important part of an officer's role?
I believe that the most important part is ensuring the proper representation of the students in Aberystwyth.
If you're elected, how would you ensure students are part of your decision making?
By keeping open lines of communication, whether that is via an email that I will be checking regularly or talking in person, whether I go to the students or the students come to me.
How would you make sure you remain accountable to students as an officer?
I would ensure that decisions that I have made and the reason behind them would be available at request from any student.
How did you engage with the SU as a student?
As a student, it was thanks to the union that I got introduced and then joined my current society. I then went on to become the president of the society, where I worked with the union a lot closer and a lot more, and I've gone from working with them to wanting to work as one of them.
How will you balance the needs of clubs and societies in your role?
I would treat the clubs and societies equally, not treating either as superior to the other. I would ensure that their needs are catered for to the best of my ability, while also seeking to improve what they already have.
How would you support the development of key events such as ABBA Challenge and Varsity?
I personally have not been a part of these events, so what I would do is go to those that have either been involved or wish to be involved and seek their advice as to what would ensure the smooth running of the events or what would ensure the events are improved upon. I believe you should vote for me because I have been in Aberystwyth since summer 2019 as part of the summer programme that the university did. I've loved every moment of my time here, and I am hoping that you give me the opportunity to stay here another year so I can ensure others love their time here as well.
Hello, my name's Cameron and my pronouns are he, they, and I'm going for Wellbeing Officer.
For you, what is the most important part of an officer's role?
Doing the job, doing it well, and listening to people so that I can make meaningful change.
If elected, how would you ensure students are part of your decision making?
Connect with them, communicate with them, and listen to their thoughts and ideas and incorporate those into my own.
How did you engage with the SU as a student?
I played a lot of pool with my friends, I drank quite a few pints, but I was also elected as one of the disabled student officers.
How will you ensure our students from liberation communities feel seen and heard?
Well, I'm trans, queer and neurodivergent, so naturally I'm quite passionate about liberation groups, but I also want to be approachable and a voice for those communities that I'm not in.
How would you promote better wellbeing on campus?
Encourage the use of wellbeing services and, again, make sure I'm a friendly face, an approachable person, and I'll always have my hair dyed a stupid colour so you can recognise me.
Best advice you've ever been given?
Your best is enough.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Something people might not know about you?
A cow bumped into me once and I fell into some barbed wire.
What are you watching at the moment?
Old Top Gear, and that's the best Top Gear.
Why should students vote for you?
I'm a quirky, weird person, but I'm here for everybody and I will make good changes.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. My pronouns are she, her, and I'm running for Academic Affairs Officer. By running academic zones, using social media and using feedback forms. Academic zones are a really good way for the Academic Affairs Officer and students to come together and talk about issues, anything good that's happening and any decisions that the university are making. Social media is also a really good platform for officers to post on stories and ask students what they want to bring to big meetings such as executive meetings and Senate. Feedback forms, again, are a really good way to get feedback from students and know what's going on. Again, by holding academic zones, these are a really good way for students to ask what the officer is doing at the current time. It's also a really good way for the officer to get any feedback and to hear about issues that students want them to fix. Going back to the students and telling the students what they've done to fix that problem, that's a really good way to be held accountable. I'd also like to start using emails as a way to follow up from the zones, especially to academic reps, so that the academic reps know that the Academic Affairs Officer is definitely doing something about the issues they've raised. When I was a student, I engaged with the SU through societies, clubs, I was part of show dance and I was on committee for JogSoc. I was also an academic rep for third year psychology. By making sure that they have good training and that their training is at the right time of the year for them so that they'll remember the things they've learned in training and also be able to take it on board and use it straight away. I'd also make sure that they have a good community. This is something I've already tried to do this year by doing social events for reps, and this is a really good way to get reps into their faculties as well, as I think faculties are neglected a bit and not many students know about which faculty they're in or how that works. And that's another thing I would do to make reps feel empowered, is make sure that they have their knowledge all up to date about faculties and departments and how things run in the university and how things run in the SU as well. And I think, you know, knowledge is power, so I think it would really help to make them feel empowered. I would help students in the transition to in-person teaching by making sure that they know they can come to me with any issues they have with going back to in-person teaching. Obviously, we still have a lot of students that are vulnerable or that are worried about going back to in-person teaching for any kind of reason, so I would just let them know that I'm definitely here for them, and that if they have any issues that they don't feel they can raise, then I would raise them for them. I studied psychology at university. I don't think many people know that, but that seems to be a tradition with Academic Affairs Officer for the past few years that we study psychology. I would definitely go sunset, but I wish I was a sunrise person, but I can't do early mornings. I wish I could. I think the most important part of an officer's role is representing student voice and making sure that that student voice is heard in all decision making across the university. All in all, students should vote for me because I want to make your university experience the most fun and fulfilling yet.